You have likely heard it said, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Likewise, a roof is only as lasting as its weakest part. And that is why at Austin Roofing Contractors we build our standing seam metal roofs with double locking panels to enable the use of split panels where zinc flashing assemblies can be utilized. Here, as an example, you see the steps in using a split panel around a plumbing vent pipe. But the process is the same whether a plumbing pipe, a B-vent, or even a skylight. The pliable zinc flashing is sandwiched between the two panels, creating a shingle process that sheds water in the place of blocking water and will last for decades and generations. Notice the plumbing vent pipe, the B-vent, and the skylight all have been installed with split sheets to create a flashing method that is watertight without relying on caulks or sealants, and the difference is that they will last for a lifetime and more. Truly a lifetime standing seam metal roof. Metal roofs, Class 4 impact resistant and built to last. Standards and specifications backed by supervision. Austin Roofing Contractors.